earth is my home. I promise to keep it healthy and beautiful. I will love the land, the air, the water, and all living creatures. I will be a defender of my planet, united with friends. I will save the earth. Hello, welcome back to gardening class. Today we will learn about something that related to the sound that I sang before. What is that? Yes, that is about our earth. Do you know? Today we will celebrate Earth Day. And do you know one thing again? We need as a human to save our earth because our earth is our home. So what should we do to save our earth? Yeah, maybe we can sorting the trash because you know the trash will make our home, our garden, our way so messy, and also that's not good for ourselves. Really? Today we will learn about that. You see inside of this box there's a lot of something inside of this box. You know what is that? Yeah, you're right. This is trash. There's a lot of kind of trash in my box. You see? So today we will learn about how to sorting the trash. So I hope you keep watching and go to the next slide. Hello, like I said before, today we will learn about how to sorting the trash. You can see in front of me, we have some type of bin bag. I think you still remember this bin bag are from our school. And I will remind you again what is the function for each color from this bin bag. Okay, we will start from the red one. This red bin bag is the bin bag that function for we put inside like plastic and could be glass and could be can. And then second one, this is the green bin bag. This green bin bag, we can put something like paper, carton, or tissue or cotton that you can put in the green bin bag. And for the blue one, this is the bin bag that we can put inside is for Tetra Pak. And for the gray one, this is for natural trash. We put in the gray this bin. So that is type of the bin bag in our school that you put different trash for each of them. Do you still remember this function? Okay, I remind again. First, for the red one is for the plastic, for the glass, or for can. And the green bin bag that we use for paper, tissue, or cotton. Blue bin bag. This bin bag we use for put the trash like Tetra Pak. And the gray one, this trash bin for natural trash. So let's go for the next slide. Hello, welcome again. So this is the box that I already showed to you. you can see, what is this? You still remember? Yes, this is trash in my box. So today we will sorting this trash, and we will put this trash for each bin bag. I will show to you. I need it. So we will start to sorting the trash. Okay, I will start with this. What is this? Yeah, you're right. This is plastic. Where should I put this plastic trash? Yeah, you're right. We put in the red bin bag. And what is this? Yeah, this is paper. So where should I put this paper trash? Yeah, you're right. We put in the green bin bag. What is this? This is like box. Yeah. So this is Tetra Pak. I want to tell you this Tetra Pak because it's really recycling things from the trash that we can reuse again. So before we put this in the bin bag, we should to finish it, drain until you're finished. Then you need to wash it, and then you need to squash it like this. Squash, 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 squash. And then you put this in the blue bin bag. Okay. And how about this? What is this? Yes, this is leaves. Where should I put these leaves? Exactly, we put in the gray bin. So this is for natural because leaves is the natural trash, right? Yeah. So they are for sorting the trash that I already explained to you, and I hope you will understand about that. And I want to add you something again, that this Tetra Pak, paper bin bag, and then plastic bin bag, this trash from those three things of here, the Tetra Pak, paper, and plastic, that we can reuse again. We will make something with these things that they will become something that useful for our life. Like we can make bucket, like we can make a lamp glass, like we can make a vase from the glass. So we will do it that in the factory, in the fabric. So they will do magic things to transformation or to change from something that we not use again and something that useful for our life, that is recycle. And for natural trash that we can use for making compost. You know, the compost is really useful for our plant, and they help plants to grow well. So that's all for today. I hope you get it, and I showed to you about sorting the trash. Then you can do it, these things at your home, because this is small things that we can do it to save our planet, to save our earth, because our earth, only our earth is our home. So therefore we need to be as one, we need to be unity to save our earth. Do you agree with that? Okay, I think you agree with that. I hear about this. Thank you.